Coinlist has announced another presale. The project is named Nibiru. Let's get to know this project and see how we can participate in the presale. Nibiru is an L1 blockchain and smart contract ecosystem with features such as dApp development, infrastructure, consensus, a comprehensive developer toolkit, and value accrual to foster the adoption of Web3. Numerous projects in the realms of DeFi, gaming, metaverse, and more are being built on Nibiru. The supporters of Nibiru include many prominent names as seen in the table. Going further down, the table indeed stands out, showcasing the differences and advantages of Nibiru's ecosystem compared to others. It's recommended to carefully examine this table as it highlights features not present in some networks, making Nibiru noteworthy. Now, let's look at the details of the presale. The presale is scheduled for February 1, 2024. The Nibiru token, nibi, will be sold at a price of 5 cents. On February 26th, the first lock will be released, distributing a 10% share to investors. The remaining distribution will continue over the course of a year. Looking at the total supply, it amounts to 1.5 billion. There are purchase limits here. In the presale, the minimum purchase is $50 and the maximum is $2,000. Additionally, there will be extra allocations. USDT or USDC will be used for purchases. Apart from this, residents of certain countries mentioned here won't be able to participate in the presale. Now, let's join the presale. To participate, we have until January 29th. I click on the Register Now button. On the next page, I press the Get Started button. After selecting my country, a quiz appears. Answer the quiz questions as I've shown you and proceed. Here, it will prompt you to connect your Keplr wallet. Keplr, similar to MetaMask, is a browser-installed wallet. After your Keplr wallet is installed, go to the link provided by Coinlist. Then enter the section I show on the screen. Click the link in step 3. This link will direct you to a new page. You will need to connect your Keplr wallet on this page. Click on Connect Wallet and choose Keplr. Copy your wallet address as I've shown. Now you're ready to return to Coinlist. Paste your wallet address into the space provided and proceed. Please ensure the accuracy of your wallet address. Next, you'll see the page where you input the purchase amount. Enter the desired amount in the space provided. After doing this, select either USDT or USDC below. I choose USDT, so my USDT wallet address is at the bottom. The address to deposit the funds is my USDT address. After completing these steps, proceed and finalize your presale registration. That's it. I hope this video has been helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to stay informed about new opportunities. See you in the next video.